Hey guys, Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge. As I mentioned in our short video there, this is a vehicle that you're definitely want to keep an eye on some of these telltale signs that it's a good one to buy. It's a 2019 Toyota Highlander. It's got low kilometers and it's also got 3M stuck to the front of the vehicle. So that's my number one telltale sign if somebody took the time to spend the money and wait for them to put 3M on the front. A, they were proud of this vehicle and wanted to take care of it. B, they remember spending that money and want to continue to take care of it. So that is my, my little evidence for you as to why this would be a good one. Now, we've also got our Toyota Highlander stock rims, as well as a really nice set of tires with some tread left. As I mentioned, this vehicle only has 29,000 kilometers, 29,719. And mud flaps ready to go on there as well to protect any backsplash from ruining your paint. Likewise, in the back here, we have some more great features like the lift gate, which is going to be able to open up. I was just going in and checking to see if it had the power lift gate. It doesn't, but for those with capable hands, this is definitely a vehicle that has the space for you to put some storage in here. Not to mention the Highlander is a third row capable vehicle. So 60-40 split in the back, you can pull that seat right up. There you've got your third row, and of course you can lay it back down. Let's check out a little bit more on the inside. Hey guys, if you're looking for a vehicle that's going to get you some longevity and capability to get all the family in here and keep them safe, this is the one. It's the Toyota Highlander. It's got the collision mitigation, so it will warn you if you're coming up on a vehicle too quick. It will also pull you back into the lane if you start to go out of the lane, so the safety features are there. Not to mention we got the nice things like the backup camera. Oh, there you go. I'll leave it for our camera lady. As well as the sensors in that. Some nice storage space. Whoa, better than nice storage space. This thing's monstrous. Check out in there. And you've also got you got the auto headlamps, power windows, power locks, all the things you'd expect, along with the Toyota branding. So I'll be honest in saying this vehicle pretty much sells itself. The Toyota enthusiasts will find this one somehow, some way. They'll be coming out of the trees and saying, hey, I heard you got a Toyota at a Dodge store. So if you have an aspiration to get into something that holds a lot of value, as the Toyotas do, come on down and see me, Shannon Stewart at St.Albert Dodge. Once again, our number is 458-8660, 780-458-8660, and ask for me.